There are an estimated 4,000 to 5,000 injuries related to hiking each year. Are you prepared for an accident? Introducing the North American Rescue Trail Personnel Aid Kit. Whether you're on foot, bike, or your ATV, UTV, the TPAK is the perfect companion for trailside emergency care. Unlike most trail aid kits, it also provides the capability to address life-threatening bleeding. The TPAK equips you to address common first aid needs such as insect bites, minor cuts and abrasions, sprains, broken bones that require splinting, eye injuries, and burns, and includes a pocket reference guide for common first aid treatments. The kit offers multiple carrying options from its adjustable waist belt to its MOLLE attachment points. Whatever lies ahead on the trail, the TPAK ensures that you always have the necessary equipment to save a life. You can find the North American Rescue Trail Personnel Aid Kit and other premium products with a mission at narescue.com. Follow us on social media or sign up for emails and join the mission.